Today is all about transformation, like developing new apps, creating new customer experiences, and securely exposing your data to partners and third-party developers. Thing is, legacy systems and architectures can't handle the load. They need a totally new architecture with an API-based layer that connects existing legacy IT investments to new digital initiatives and partners. That's what CA API management is all about. It's a complete API lifecycle solution, allowing you to consistently create, manage, and consume APIs and microservices, all while improving security and scalability. CA API management lets you almost instantly create and deploy APIs and microservices that help drive Internet of Things enablement and rapid mobile development. It also adds rock-solid security to protect the data being exposed from your back-end systems and allows it to scale to meet user demand. CA API management gives you the ability to create a developer ecosystem and streamline the consumption of APIs and microservices, with features that improve API discovery, onboarding, and collaboration. Need more to love? CA API management offers common back-end services that can be used across multiple mobile and IoT apps, so you can develop, deploy, and manage multiple apps. CA is one of the only providers that gives you an integrated set of solutions that transforms your app architecture. So you can create and integrate APIs, secure your open enterprise, and unlock the value of your data at every step. Can your architecture handle this kind of transformation? It can now.